Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we will create feather textures using shape dynamics. Choose a thin, soft edged brush tip, open brush setting and activate shape dynamics. And also increase size jitter subtly and add angle jitter to create curve shifts. Adjust roundness jitter to refine softness. Begin painting feather stands. Use long strokes for the main shape and add small flicks for feather detailing. Use light pressure for wisp edges and add darker strokes in the middle. Add highlights along the shaft. Build layers for depth. Shape dynamics gives feather a natural softness and that's how you create feather textures